वेलकम बॅक. आपण पहिल्या भागामध्ये सीगलची आई चोचीमध्ये मासा धरून ती त्याला टियर करत होती आणि तिची स्वतःची बीक त्या खडकावर घासत होती आणि सीगलने ते आईच्या तोंडातला मासा बघून ही मॅडन्ड म्हणजे त्याला अगदी वेड लागल्यासारखं झालं, कारण त्याला खूप भूक लागली होती. सो विल सी द Part 2. Ga, ga, ga. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. Go, call her. She screamed back derisively. Ga, ga, ga. He cried, begging her to bring some food. And Seagull, young Seagull, was begging her, ga, ga, ga. Please give me food. Please give me food. But what was the reaction or reply of his mother? आई काय म्हणाली? Go, call her. She screamed back derisively. She screamed back means she used the word that says that you are stupid. मूर्ख आहेस तू, तुला असं अन्न मिळणार नाही. She screamed back derisively. But he kept calling plaintively and he was again calling her plaintively, like as expressing very sorrow. I am very hungry, please give me food. अशा स्वरामध्ये तिच्या समोर तो आपला आवाज काढत होता. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. But after a minute or one moment, एका क्षणानंतर, he screamed a joyful scream. आणि त्याने एक आनंदाने चित्कार टाकला, आनंदाने त्याने एक आवाज काढला. Why he became so happy? His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. And he saw his mother has picked up a piece of a fish. त्याच्या आईने माशाचा एक तुकडा आपल्या चोचीत धरलेला आहे. And she was flying across to him with it. And she was coming to him. आणि त्याच्या लक्षात आलं, now my mother is coming to me and definitely I will get the piece of fish. He leaned out eagerly. He was standing on the ledge. He was on the ledge and he leaned out eagerly. म्हणून थोडासा पुढे अतिशय उत्साहाने झेपावला. And he was tapping the rock with his feet. And he was tapping his feet on the rock with a joy. आनंदाने त्याचे स्वतःचे पाय तो टॅप करत होता. पाय असे त्या खडकावर आपटत होता. Trying to get nearer to her beak, almost within reach of his beak. And when he saw that mother is coming to him and almost within reach of his beak, अगदी त्याच्या चोची जवळ आता आई येणार आहे, इतक्या जवळ आई आलेली आहे. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. But she was just opposite to him. त्याच्या अगदी opposite बाजूला होती. But she did not come. She halted. She stopped. Her wings motionless. Before her wings were in motion, but now motionless. दोन्ही पंख motionless झाले, not moving. The piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. अगदी चोचीच्या जवळ तो piece of fish आलेला आहे. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then maddened by hunger, he dived at fish. He waited for a moment. Now he was unable to wait. त्याला इतकी भूक लागली होती, आता तो थांबूच शकत नव्हता. But waited for a minute in a surprise and wondering that why she is not coming to him. Why she did not come nearer. ती जवळ का येत नाही, तिथंच का थांबलेली आहे. And then maddened by hunger, he dived at fish. आणि भुकेने एवढा व्याकुळ झाला होता, अगदी वेळ लागायची वेळ आली होती. आणि मग आई येत नाही म्हणून आईच्या चोचीतला पीस ऑफ फिश बघून ही डाइव्ड ॲट फिश, त्या फिशवर त्याने जंप मारली. with a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards in the space. Now he has came from the ledge. ledgeहून त्याने डाइव केल्यानंतर, जंप केल्यानंतर, he made a loud scream, एक मोठा आवाज केला त्याने, and he fell outwards and downwards. He fell down outwards and downwards. तो बाहेरच्या बाजूला आणि खूप खाली अशा पद्धतीने पडत होता. बिकॉज नाउ ही हॅज नॉट एनी सपोर्ट ऑफ लेज. आता लेज पासून त्याने जंप घेतलेली आहे. देन मॉन्स्टरस टेरर सीज्ड हिम अँड हिज हर्ट स्टूड स्टिल. कारण आता तो या पोकळीमध्ये खाली कोसळत असताना मॉन्स्टरस टेरर, देयर वॉज अ टेरिबल टेरर. मॉन्स्टरस आपल्याला माहिती आहे, मॉन्स्टर म्हणजे राक्षस. म्हणजे एखादा राक्षस बघितल्यानंतर जशी भीती वाटते तसे त्याला आता त्या स्पेस मध्ये भीती वाटायला लागली. मॉन्स्टरस टेरर सीज्ड हिम, त्याला त्या भीतीने झपाटलं. अँड हिज हर्ट स्टूड स्टिल. फॉर अ मोमेंट हिज हर्ट स्टॉप्ड. हृदय थांबले असं त्याला वाटलं. फॉर अ मोमेंट स्टिल. ही कुड हिअर नथिंग इन द स्पेस. नाउ ही वॉज नॉट हिअरिंग एनिथिंग. ही हिअर नथिंग. ही कुड हिअर नथिंग. त्याला काहीच ऐकू येत नव्हतं. बट इट ओनली लास्टेड अ मिनिट. पण हे किती वेळ घडलं? हृदय थांबलेलं आहे, भीती वाटते आहे आणि काही ऐकू येत नाही. हे किती वेळ चाललं? इट लास्टेड 1 minute, maybe a 1 moment. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. And the next moment he felt that his wings are spread outwards. त्याचे असे बंद असलेले पंख असे आउटवर्ड्स होतात असं त्याच्या लक्षात येत होतं. The wind rushed against his breast feathers. And the wind, वारा त्याच्या ब्रेस्ट समोरच्या छातीच्या बाजूला जे फेदर्स आहेत या फेदर्सच्या अगेन्स्ट जात आहेत. Then under his stomach and against his wings. And the wind, the air was coming under his stomach, under his wings and feathers. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. And he felt that the tips of the wings, या पंखाचे जे टिप्स आहेत म्हणजे ज्या कडा आहेत या हवा कापत चाललेल्या आहेत असं त्याच्या लक्षात आलं की दे आर कटिंग थ्रू द एअर. हवेतून त्या जात आहेत पुढे. ही वॉज नॉट फॉलिंग हेडलॉग नाउ. सुरुवातीला ही केम डाऊन, ही वॉज डाऊनवर्ड्स, ही फेल डाऊनवर्ड्स. बट नाउ ही इज नॉट फॉलिंग हेडलॉग नाउ. कपाळ मोक्ष होईल, कपाळावर पडेल असं काही घडत नाही. ही वॉज सोअरिंग ग्रॅज्युअली डाऊनवर्ड्स अँड आउटवर्ड्स. And he was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. तो खालच्या बाजूला आणि बाहेरच्या बाजूला असा उडत होता. स्वतःच्या पंखाने तो झेपावत होता. He was no longer afraid. And now he lost his afraid. He lost his frightened. He lost his that feeling. ती जी feeling होती भीतीची ती आता संपून गेलेली आहे. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. He felt uncomfortable because now he is facing the new situation. Feeling spinning around the losing one's balance. एक लक्षात आलं की आता आपलं बॅलन्स जाते. Dizzy, little bit dizzy, but he was okay. Then he flapped his wings once and soared upwards. Then he flapped his wings and once soared upwards. आता तो खाली जो होता ज्या लेवलवर तिथून तो आता विंग्स फ्लॅप करून तो अपवर्ड झालेला आहे. गा 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 गोलहा. हिज मदर स्विफ्ट पास्ट हिम, हर विंग्स मेकिंग लाउड नॉइज. And at the same time his mother came to him and she made a scream also. And she swept past him. त्याच्या जवळून ती सहज निघून गेली. Her wings making loud noise because she was very happy. He answered her with another scream. He made another voice. त्याने स्वतः एक वेगळा आवाज काढला आणि आपल्या आईला उत्तर दिले की now I am okay. Then his father flew over him screaming. Now look, Before that, his father, mother, brothers and sister was not coming to him. Why? Because he was not flying in the sky. आता तो आकाशात उडतोय म्हणून आई आली, वडील पण आले. Flew over him screaming. आवाज करत करत त्याच्यावरून ते उडत होते. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him. And his two brothers and sister came to him and they have made some scream. Flying around him. They are flying around him. They are very happy. Coveting and banking. And they are flying in a different way. Coveting, leaping like a horse, jumping. अशा पद्धतीने घोडा जसा उड्या मारतो अशा पद्धतीने they were flying in the sky, as well as banking. The both wings are there, but one wing is upper and one wing is a lower side. एक पंख खालच्या बाजूला आणि एक वरच्या बाजूला आहे, त्याला आपण बँकिंग असं म्हणतो. They are flying in that way. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. And now he forgot everything. He forgot his past. What was his past? In the past, he did not ready to fly and so completely forgot. पूर्णपणे विसरला. काय विसरला? That he had not always been able to fly. त्याला एकेकाळी एका वेळेला अजिबात उडता येत नव्हतं. And commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. And he was ready to dive, ready to soar and ready to shrieking shrilly, making loud noise and soaring in the sky like as an expert flying bird. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. Now he is near the sea now and flying straight over it. There was water, huge water, stretched water under the seagull and facing straight out over the ocean. And there was ocean and sea. He saw a vast green sea beneath him with a little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. And the first time he saw a vast green sea beneath him. आतापर्यंत त्याने तो समुद्र पाहिला होता, पण त्या लेजवर बसून पाहिला होता. Now he is looking below, looking under, looking beneath him the vast sea with a little ridges moving over it. Ridges are there. त्यामध्ये काय अशा लाटा पण आहेत आणि काही थोडेसे तसा पर्वत असतो तसे पर्वताचा काही भाग त्याला दिसतोय आणि मोस्टली इट द ridges moving over it म्हणजे लाटा अशा वर पर्वतासारखे होत आहेत. And he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. Amusedly means very pleasantly. खूप आनंदाने त्याने आवाज काढायला सुरुवात केली. He was looking here and there. Why? Now he could fly. His parents and his brother and sister had landed on his green flooring ahead of him. And the green sea was there. And his parents, father and mother, two brothers and sister landed before him on the green floor. They were beckoning to him. They were giving signal to follow him. Do something. They are showing something. ते काहीतरी त्याला सांगत होते, दर्शवत होते. Calling shrilly, मोठ्याने आवाज करत होते. They are showing something. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea, and he wanted to stand on the green sea. आणि त्याला असं वाटलं की आपण ह्या ग्रीन सी वर आपण उभं राहावं. So he dropped his legs on stand to the green sea. या हिरव्या समुद्रावर त्यांनी पाय ठेवले. His legs sank into it. आणि त्याचे दोन्ही पाय पाण्यात बुडले. Sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. And he screamed again. परत त्याने एक आवाज काढला with a fright. घाबरल्याचा आवाज होतो. Why? Because he thought that I will be drowned. And attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. पंख फडफड करून वर निघायचा प्रयत्न करत होता. But he was tired and weak with hunger and could not rise, exhausted by the strange exercise. But he could not fly. Why? Because he was very tired and weak. तो खूप थकला होता, खूप अशक्त झाला होता. With hunger. Because he did not taken any a small morsel of food or any piece of fish and could not rise, exhausted. Exhausted, खूप दमला होता, थकला होता by the strange exercise. This is a strange exercise. पहिल्यांदा त्यांनी पंख बाहेर काढले होते आणि पंखाने तो फडफड करून स्वतःला आकाशामध्ये, हवेमध्ये, या पोकळीमध्ये स्वतःला तो तरंगत ठेवत होता. आणि हा एक्सरसाइज, हे काम त्याच्यासाठी खूप स्ट्रेंज होतं आणि याने पण तो थकला होता. His feet sank into the green sea and then his belly touched it and sank no further. He could not fly. उडू शकला नाही. मग काय, बुडला का? No. His feet sank into the green sea. त्याचे दोन्ही पाय पाण्यामध्ये sank झाले, बुडले. And then his belly touched it and sank no further. His belly, his stomach touched to the water. But what happened next? Sank no further. पण त्याच्यानंतर तो मात्र बुडला नाही. म्हणजे त्याची बेली, त्याचं पोट, त्याचा खालचा भाग, स्टमक, हे पाण्यावर तरंगायला लागलं. He was floating on it. Now he is not flying, but he is floating on the water. And around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scrap of dogfish. And all family members gathered there. His father, mother, 2 brothers and sister, they came together and they around him they made a very joyful noise, screaming. एक आनंद त्यांना झाला आणि आनंदात ते काहीतरी त्याला सांगत होते, praising him. त्याचं कौतुक करत होते. Now yes, you are good. And their beaks were offering him scrap of dogfish. आपल्याला माहित आहे की 24 तासापूर्वी तो खाण्यासाठी व्याकुळ झाला होता. त्याच्याजवळ कोणी आलं नाही. आता मात्र सगळेजण, सगळे फॅमिली मेंबर्स त्याच्या बीक मध्ये स्क्रॅप ऑफ डॉग फिश, माशांचे तुकडे आणून घालतायत आणि खाऊ घालतायत. व्हाय? बिकॉज ही हॅड मेड हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाईट. कारण त्याने त्याचं पहिलं उडान घेतलं होतं, पहिल्यांदा आकाशात झेप घेतली होती. अँड इन द लास्ट लाईन वी कॅन सी द टायटल ऑफ दिस लेसन, टायटल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, he had made his first flight. आणि अशा पद्धतीने त्याने त्याचं पहिलं उड्डाण घेतलं. थँक्यू.